Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study a company's financial report. We'll start by understanding why these documents are so important. They provide a transparent view into a company's operations, financial position, and cash flow. By grasping the basics, you can confidently assess a business's stability and growth potential, making smarter choices whether you're an investor or just curious about a company's standing. Next, let's dive into the three core financial statements. The income statement, also known as the profit and loss statement, reveals how much profit a company made. The balance sheet gives you a snapshot of what a company owns and owes. Finally, the cash flow statement tracks all the money moving in and out, showing how a company generates and uses its cash. Now, let's talk about analyzing performance metrics. Ratios are powerful tools for comparing a company's performance over time or against competitors. For instance, a net profit margin of 15% tells you how much profit is generated from each dollar of revenue. Understanding these ratios helps you gauge a company's financial health, operational efficiency, and overall risk profile. Finally, remember that financial reports are just one piece of the puzzle. Always look beyond the numbers to qualitative factors like the strength of the management team, competitive landscape, and broader economic conditions. The footnotes and management discussion provide crucial context and insights that the raw numbers might miss. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.